Tiger is India's national animal. The tiger is known for its might and sharps. The tiger is majestic creature. The Chinese often use tiger nails to create medicinal antidotes. The tiger is found in the western, eastern and central part of India. Poachers threaten the existence of tigers. New laws have been enacted to save tigers. These laws include stricter punishments. The number of tigers in India has gone up recently. Tigers are intelligent too. Well, now it's time to know the different facts of tigers. Let's see one by one. Tigers. Tigers are meat-eating animals just like lions. Tigers can be easily identified by the beautiful orange coats with black stripes on them. They are larger than lions and are the heaviest animals of the cat family. They are feared by both humans and animals. Bengal tigers are mostly found in India, although some are found in Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan as well. Tigers have excellent eyesight and a sharp sense of smell. They guard their large territories, marking the boundaries of their area with scratch marks on trees and rocks as well as scent marking. These signals warn other tigers about the size of the tiger ruling the region. Tigers usually communicate by roaring loudly. Sometimes, when other tigers enter the area, they take up to 40 kilograms of meat in one meal. Tigers hate the hot afternoon sun and stay in the shade of caves till the evening. On summer days, they take baths in the cool waters of rivers or lakes. Tigers love water, unlike other cats, and can also swim long distance. Sometimes they have mud baths, since mud helps soak up the heat of the sun, keeping their fur cool. Down of forest and the illegal killing of animals, the number of Bengal tigers has gone down. In 1973, there were only 268 Bengal tigers left in the forest of India. Project Tigers was initiated by the government of India to save these beautiful cats. Corbett National Park was the first national park in India to be covered under this project. Now, as many as 48 tigers reserves are included in Project Tiger. There has been an increase in the number of tigers in India in recent times. The count has gone up to around 2,500. India's largest tiger population is found in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which includes Bandipur National Park, Nagarhole National Park, Mudumalai National Park and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary in Karnataka and Kerala.